So hi, I am Charan Sai. I am from Mumbai, RGUKT Mumbai. So I came here on December 8, 2025. Within 3 months, I have been placed as a trainee software engineer. Before coming here, I have minimal knowledge, barely technical knowledge and confidence. After joining here, I got to know more about how industrial works and technologies, training technologies. I've got opportunity to attend mock interviews, to attend drives. There I've got some experience how to behave in interviews. Trainers here are very friendly. They, we can ask a number of times doubts. They will clear you. And yes, I've taken a very good step in my life. I would like to thank once again Jspiders for giving a good opportunity like this.